What's up, everyone? Welcome back. We're heading out for our first turkey hunt ever. It is cold. Well, I mean, it's 41 degrees, but the wind's blowing, so it's cold to me. Anyway, we're heading up to the mountain. Gonna try to smoke a couple turkeys today, so let's get after it.
Should have scouted this ourselves, but we didn't, so we're gonna give it a shot. See here. We got one gun for 2 turkey hunters, so hopefully she shoots one, and the stupid birds are dumb and stay around so she could pass the gun off and I could shoot one too. So let's see what we got going on today.
Alright, so we sat for about half an hour, blowing on the turkey call, trying to see if we can locate these birds. So far, no luck. We're gonna go back to the high ground and watch over this whole clearing. See if we can't figure out where they're coming from or where they're going. So, we'll see. This is what we're working with. Pretty view. No turkeys yet. Well, as you can tell, we're back in the truck. Wind picked up and we need a better vantage point, so here we are in the truck. However, the battery on this thing died, and we had a hen turkey come from that direction right down along there, and she went down over the hill. So we're kind of paying attention to see if maybe there's a tom behind her, but not looking good, but it's something. All right, well, it is a few days later. Didn't get any turkeys in the bag, but we saw some birds, and it was a fun time out. Good morning spent. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. We're going to be getting some more fishing here in the coming week, and boating, camping, all kinds of good stuff. So please like the video, please subscribe to the video. We still have like 60 or 63% of the views are coming from people who are not subscribed to the channel. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell. That'll send you notifications on when new videos are uploaded. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.